What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Car. I think episode 3. We're going to be doing spaghetti this time. So, actually I'm cooking the rest of the spaghetti regular for my dinner tonight. And I took out some strains of noodles, some spaghetti, to put in some tin foil. And we'll put some water in it, we'll put it on the header and see if the water can boil. And also cook the noodles. Alright guys, so I made a little cauldron here kind of thing. Made it nice and skinny, so I can squish it down into the header. So probably gonna wrap another piece of tinfoil around this just to make sure no water doesn't leak out as we're doing this. And also try to make sure that that piece is more water sealed than this one is. And then we can put it in the car and see if it boils and makes ourselves some pasta. Alright guys, I'm out here with the car. I got the noodles right here. I'll be putting the water in right now. Here. Just gonna pour this into here. Oh, a little too much maybe. Alright, so she's all filled up. Alright, she's leaking a little bit, but oh, I hear sizzling. Oh, I hear sizzle whizzle. Oh, I hear it sizzling in there right now. She's leaking. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll see. Alright, can you boil spaghetti with a header? Or will all the water just leak out and the spaghetti just burn? To be determined. So right now, it's leaking a little bit. Hopefully it all doesn't leak out. Hopefully it's just leaking because it's at a certain point. I filled both of the tin foils because it was the first one was leaking. So, it's in sort of plastic volume. But, so it's leaking a little bit, so I just overfilled it. So we're just gonna drive and we'll probably drive for like 5-10 minutes and see if, well, 10 minutes because spaghetti takes a little while. So it'll take 10 minutes to drive. Alright guys, I smell pasta cooking. That's always a good sign. I hear her boiling. And guess what I didn't do this time? I didn't come prepared. I'm gonna grab something to grab this thing with. I'm gonna put the camera down to get this thing out. Alright guys, here's our pasta. The question is, any water in it? That's a good question. Doesn't feel like any water in it. Alright, we're gonna open this up. I don't think there's any water in this thing. That's why I'm not really too... Oh yeah, the water's out. So, we're gonna have really burnt noodles in here, or we're gonna have maybe nice crunchy noodles. Yeah, all the water's boiled out. There's a little... Oh, so close. Oh. Actually, you know what, guys? Hold on. These are perfect. Listen. Alright, these are literally perfect al dente noodles. You actually could use these in your sauce. They're not crunchy, it's just perfect tenderness, soft. I really can't believe that worked. I thought this was gonna become a burnt noodle, undercooked noodle. I just didn't think it was gonna work. Let's just be honest, I didn't think it was gonna work. My butt just vibrated. Yeah, that actually came out really good, actually. I was like, I was like, here guys, you guys can try some noodles, but you guys can't try the noodle, but you can just tell by the way this thing tears. It's just nice and tender. Al dente noodles. Well, there you guys have it, guys. You can cook noodles, well, spaghetti noodles, in a car engine bay. Let's see, the cook time that I did with this time, I did calculate, it was about 15 minutes. I put a 10-minute timer and I did a stopwatch just to know how much time to add on to that I'm gonna do. And then I parked over there, got it out, and like I said, there's no water left in there. There's no water. I literally stopped moving at, just stopped driving at perfect time, because if not, these would have been burning. But 15 minutes with just a nice little thin piece of tin foil, wrap it up, put some noodles in it, you got yourself some noodles. Now, what I'm thinking about for another video, and listen guys, let me know in the comments if you want to see this, I might just try and make a whole pasta sauce in the car. Make nice pasta sauce and some spaghetti, and then we can have a whole full dinner in the car. But alright guys, listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. Comment down below what you guys want to see in these episodes. And also guys, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.